If you're a smoker, you'll know the pain of being trapped in the prison of nicotine. Everyone around you says, if you want to stop, why don't you just do it? We understand that kicking the habit is not a matter of just doing it. If you've tried gum, patches, inhalers, and other supposedly proven methods that have done nothing to alleviate your pain, don't lose hope. Here at Shanti Wellness Center, we provide a revolutionary non-invasive solution using laser therapy. Laser therapy works to alleviate those dreaded withdrawal symptoms by initiating the same calming effects that nicotine itself has on the body for the entire withdrawal process. Laser therapy is 100% pain-free, and the only thing you'll feel is the gentle pressure of the laser probe, as well as the benefits that come with putting out that cigarette. Once and for all. Not convinced? Just ask our happy customers who can't even remember the last time they touched a cigarette. This is your chance to effectively transform your entire life. So get in touch with us to find out more and take control of tomorrow today.